Thanks, Shep. It's a well-known fact that students here at Ole Miss love their Greek life. The school estimates that around 35% of the students are in some form of Greek fraternity or sorority. That's a little more than a third of the students, which on a 14,000 student campus puts the number at around 5,000 students involved with Greek life. The Greeks, they're more than just party houses. They do important things in the community, like the philanthropy efforts. A couple of the sororities are involved with a local group called Angel Ranch. It's for neglected children. They provide books and financial support to that organization. They work with the SEC Canned Food Drive, and they're really involved with student government and student elections. They're always out on election day trying to drum up support for their candidates. It does draw a complaint of some of the independent students who feel like they're kind of being harassed by the Greeks when it comes to student government, but those complaints don't really go anywhere because the Greeks are always out there on election day. It's never been really an issue. But in the Grove on football days, they lead the way in getting support drummed up for the football team, handing out stickers with the fraternity sorority's name, supports the Rebs. And you see all these stickers out there on game day, and they're always a leader in fashion also. The students of Ole Miss love the Greeks. Back to you.